at 14148 Manor. Just finished up the other day. Let's go in and take a look. Here we are in the living room. We painted and patched, new blinds, new carpet throughout. Back towards the door there. It's a really nice sized living room. Now we've got the dining room attached here. We'll go into the kitchen. Brand new kitchen. All new cabinets, countertop, sink, new floors. And there's where the stove and the stove goes, and then the fridge goes over here. Back out into the dining room. Here we go, bedroom number 1 downstairs. New blinds, carpet, painted, new lights, smoke detectors in each bedroom. Here's the bathroom. New toilet, new vanity. Cleaned up the tub. I know it's not the prettiest color, but it's in such good shape. We didn't mess with it. Tile in here is really good shape. New floor. Bedroom number 2 here downstairs. This big closet over here. Let me go through. We ripped the carpet out of this entryway and put in new vinyl plank there. Not a good idea for carpet there. Upstairs. Bedroom 3. Good sized room. New blinds, smoke detectors, new lights, new doors. And then bedroom number 4. Really nice size room here. This goes to the attic space, and we secured the door so nobody can get in there. No need for anybody to be in the attic. And then this was just open, but we put this doorway in to create the closet, so it's a true bedroom. Really big walk-in closet. And that's about it. We got smokes in each bedroom, smoke and carbon in the common areas. And that's it. 14148 Manor.